Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the code for lazy ones. It was pretty hard to make a pattern because of the complicated stand collar, which starts on one side and ends on the other. You don't have to make a one-piece pattern on the front and collar like I did. You can make two separate patterns. You can also make any other collar or draping. First, I want to put the front details aside and cut the back. The back is symmetrical, so I can cut two details at once. The pattern is pretty big, so I'm not sure I'll be able to make one-piece details on the front. Maybe I'll have to cut either sleeves or collar separately. I'm not sure yet. First, I'll cut the back. The back is ready. What do I need to do next? These lines mark the bright stripes on the fabric. They should match. Let's pin the front details to the fabric right side up. Let me show you how I've pinned them. The two front details are pretty different. These bright stripes has made my life much harder. Do not buy fabric with stripes for items of such design. Anyway, I've managed to pin the details. I've put the fabric on the table face up and pinned the patterns face up too. Notice how convenient it is to work when the details are signed. If they weren't signed, I'd waste a lot of time trying to find how to pin them. Of course, it would be much easier to work with fabric without stripes, but at least I like this one. Do not forget to mark the waistline in both details. Let's start cutting. I don't add anything to the center front. The bright stripes are signed so that they match in the side seams. You can make such scarves any way you want. Change the form, direction, and so on. Use your imagination. Notice that I've pinned the center front. Now you know that it's not hard to make such patterns. I make a notch on the waistline. I never have problems with a theme for a tutorial. I'll show you how to make items I need in my everyday life. I put this detail aside too. You can add less here. But the draping won't be that beautiful in this case. I want this coat to be gorgeous. When making asymmetric items, do not forget to sign not only all the details, but also the right and wrong sides in them. First I just wanted to make an item for a tutorial, but now I see that I want to wear it. This is the left detail, and this is the right detail. The centers will match. I had to cut the angle of the collar separately. The fabric was not wide enough. I've signed all the details and sides. I've already spent about 2 hours in making this dress, including the time for coffee breaks, time for some technical moments. We also need some time to find the best place for the light, The shooting process is not easy, and it's definitely not fast. If I was making this coat off the camera, it would have taken me less than an hour to make a pattern and cut an item. I wanted to understand that it's not hard to make such items. The draping is pretty complicated, but I'm sure that you'll manage to make it. I think that this coat will be amazing. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful every day. Don't be afraid of experiments. Subscribe to my channel and write comments. My name is Paukštė Irina. Goodbye.